让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another round of Practical Haka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Woof woof woof woof。现在还是狗年呢，对不对？我好喜欢的狗年持续进行中。我跟你讲，我以前养过很多狗，可是我在台湾也养过，后来没有养的原因，只是因为我一个人孤零零哦啊，我不在家就没有人照顾它，我觉得狗狗很可怜了。
对呀，
要不然好想养，
我都没有养过。
哎呦，
他说那个要整理很麻烦啊，要每天把它洗干干净净啊。
不是，你有小孩了，已经够忙了。我们没有小孩，要一只狗。一个毛小孩来照顾。Anyways, let's say you want to raise a dog, a big dog, and it's the first time you're doing so. Let's put you in that scenario, okay? This whole month we're talking about the phrase first time, 第一次。踢一拜。Let's say 假设我真的養了吼。好。我第一次養這麼大隻的狗。
捱踢一拜。
捱踢一拜。
肉眼太雜嘅叫誒。
肉眼太雜嘅叫誒。Okay, that means 一隻大隻的狗是不是？
太雜嘅叫誒。
叫誒 that means a dog. 叫誒 that's a dog, okay? It's the first time I am raising such a huge dog. 今年呢又剛好是狗年呢 right? It happens to be the year of the dog this year.
今年度好黑。
今年度好黑。
狗年呢？
狗年呢 ？OK， 狗刚刚讲过了，就是狗。狗年 that means the year of the dog。对，狗年。那今年刚好是狗年，所以呢，应该会带来更多的福气，对不对？So perhaps the dog might bring even more luck to you。希望呢，它会带来福气。
希望佢會帶來福氣。
希望佢會帶來福氣。福氣就是福氣。
對。
乾脆就叫這個狗叫福氣。
福氣狗。
對啊，叫它福氣啊，福氣過來，福氣過來，福氣不要走開。對。Maybe we can name this dog Lucky, like in the States. Actually, a lot of people do that. 其實在國外也是會叫它 Lucky，你知道嗎？福氣叫做
福氣。
福氣 that means luck. Let's review some of these phrases, such as to raise a dog. 要養它哦，養怎麼說？
養。
OK， 不管是狗或孩子都要用養的哈。養 that means to raise. The year of the dog. 狗年。
狗年。
狗年. Of course, 狗 is dog and 年 is year. Year of the dog. 狗年. And then finally, lucky, bringing luck, right? 福氣。
福氣。
福氣. And there you have it. It's all about the phrase 第一次。
踢一拜。
踢一拜. That means the first time. And that does it for today's Practical Haka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.